Before our blog application is ready for end users, we have to generate an SSL certificate. Basically, an SSL certificate is what makes a website secure. It does this by encrypting connections to a website by using a public and private key pair. And so without an SSL set on your site, users will receive an insecure connection warning. There are two things which we have to do before we can request an SSL certificate. The first is to create a DNS hostname from a DNS provider. After this, we have to generate a CSR, short form of certificate sign-in request. Let's go ahead and create a DNS hostname from a DNS provider called NoIP. NoIP gives us up to 3 DNS hostnames. So as we can see here, I've already created one. To create a free hostname, make sure to select a domain from the free list. Once you select that, enter a hostname that you would like to use. And then click on Add Hostname to complete this. Next, we will generate a CSR. You can do this by using a tool called OpenSSL. To generate a CSR, you need to install a tool called OpenSSL. Once you have this tool installed, go ahead and run this command. We will use this command to generate our CSR. Make sure to replace server with your hostname. So as we can see here, I replaced server with the domain that I created from NoIP. Copy this and run it in PowerShell. And one thing to note is that you want to be in a directory where you can access the private key and the certificate. After this is complete, the certificate and private key will be under this location. So let's go to the documents and find it. Secure these files somewhere so that they can be easily accessed in the future. We will use the CSR file to request an SSL certificate.